There are several ways to add serial numbers in Google Sheet. We are going to discuss about 3. Option 1. Fill handle. Open your Google Sheets document. Type the initial 2 serial numbers in the first 2 cells of the column you want to use. You might start with 1 and 2 or any other initial values, for instance. Select both cells containing the initial serial numbers. Move the cursor at the bottom right corner of the selected cells. A plus icon will pop up. Click and drag down. Once you have reached the desired range, release the mouse button to apply the serial numbers. Now you will have a series of numbers on the column. Option 2. Sequence function. Select the cell where you want the serial numbers to start. Enter the sequence formula. This formula will generate a sequence of 10 numbers starting from 1. The number of rows in the sequence is specified by the first parameter. Here it is 10. You can change that to any value. For instance, add 15. We'll create 15 rows of serial numbers. Option 3. Row function. Select the cell where you want the serial number to start. Type the array formula with the row function. This will create 10 serial numbers. You can adjust the values to change how many serial numbers you need. For example, this formula will generate 15 serial numbers from the cell you apply this formula to. That's all for now. If you are looking for more advanced ways like numbering rows only if the cells have a value in them, that's for another tutorial. See you soon.